Hello everybody and welcome back. I was going to do a range video today, but my $30 camera turned out to act just like a $30 camera. It does not take good video when you do not have perfect light and you've got it on 4x zoom. So, no range video today, but I did fire my 300 Blackout rifle for the first time. I put about 150 rounds through it. Maybe 180. I don't remember if I took 5 mags or 6 magazines with me. And I cannot recommend that you do that enough. I cannot recommend enough that you go to the range and put 150 rounds or more through a 300 Blackout. If your shoulder has for some reason really pissed you off. Yep. I will be paying for that for the next 3 or 4 days, I'm sure. That is fresh, right back from the range, 300 Blackout, 150 rounds. I do not recommend that at all. So that's it for today. I know it's short, but I am injured. Until next time, stay armed, stay vigilant, stay safe.